Hey everyone! I'm so glad you're here today. I've got something really special for you. We're turning humble sweet potatoes into a golden, crispy snack that you are going to love. Start by thoroughly washing and cutting your sweet potatoes. We'll cook them until they are fork tender. Then transfer them to a bowl and mash them until they're perfectly smooth. Now let's build those layers of flavor. Into the mash, add 1 cup of rice flour for that signature crunch and a tablespoon of cornflour to bind everything together. Next, toss in some finely chopped onions, fresh coriander, curry leaves for aroma, and green chilies for a bit of a kick. Don't forget a pinch of salt to taste. Mix everything together until it forms a soft, pliable dough. To keep it from sticking and to help it stay moist, grease the surface with a teaspoon of oil. Now let's give the dough a quick 5-minute rest to let those flavors meld. After 5 minutes, we're ready to shape. Take a small portion and roll it into a ball, using a traditional banana leaf, which adds a lovely subtle fragrance. Press the ball down gently and poke a hole right in the center to create that classic Vada shape. Slide them carefully into hot oil, one by one. Fry them over medium heat until they turn a beautiful golden brown and feel incredibly crisp on the outside. And there you have it. Your delicious, savory sweet potato treat is ready to be served hot.